Hello everyone. Today in this video we will talking about how to apply for a TN visa for the US. The TN visa is a non-immigrant work visa that allows citizens of Canada and Mexico to work in the United States. The TN visa is only available for specific professions and is based on the North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA. In this blog post, we will guide you on how to apply for a TN visa for the US. Determine your eligibility for the TN visa. The TN visa is only available to citizens of Canada and Mexico who have a job offer in a specific profession listed under NAFTA. You must also have the qualifications and experience required for the profession. Find a job offer in a qualifying profession. To apply for a TN visa, you need a job offer from a US employer. The employer must provide a letter outlining the job offer, the duties and responsibilities of the position, and the applicant's qualifications. Prepare the necessary documents. To apply for a TN visa, you will need to provide several documents, including your passport, a letter from your employer, and educational and professional credentials. You will also need to fill out a 4RM DS-160, which is the online non-immigrant visa application. Schedule an interview. Once you have completed the online application and gathered all the necessary documents, you will need to schedule an interview with the US Consulate or Embassy in your home country. During the interview, the consular officer will ask you questions about your job offer and your qualifications. Attend the interview. At the interview, you will need to present all of your documents and answer questions about your job offer and qualifications. If everything goes well, the consular officer will approve your TN visa application, and you will receive your passport with the visa stamp. It is essential to note that the TN visa is a non-immigrant visa, which means that it is only valid for a limited period. The initial period of stay is 3 years, and you can extend it in 3-year increments. In conclusion, the TN visa is a great option for citizens of Canada and Mexico who have a job offer in a qualifying profession. The application process is straightforward, but it's essential to have all the necessary documents and qualifications to increase your chances of approval. If you have any questions or need help with your TN visa application, contact us at info@elevanceconsultancy.com. We would be happy to help you with your visa and immigration needs.